Yes. This plane I do. Because they're on I use all the other channels.
Do you have like things on their own channels or?
No, but I have 6. I'm using all 6.
Same here, right?
And the gyro's using one of those.
Planes have 8 channels. Where are we going? Middle end?
We can go wherever you want.
Go to the end so we get all the runway.
All right. Have to push it. I might just carry it. No, I'll push it.
We're almost there. Let's go to the middle.
Yeah, go in the middle.
This low throttle, I'm probably.
Every little bit helps with mine. You're gonna go all the way to the end?
Wherever you want.
That's fine.
I'll be on the other side. You can be close to this. Time it.
So I'm not gonna fly crazy on this flight. I'm just
No,
gonna
I'm not either.
kill the battery.
You can kill the battery.
Because I've been trying to do the air show performance.
Want to go first?
Let's kind of go together. You go first, and then I'll pull up on your right. That's perfect too, because by the time Keon's done, we'll be able to just go nuts for a couple minutes. Just do orbits. I have to land early, yeah. And then you set up for high alpha, and I'll do a fast one behind depending on where you are. So go ahead and set up for it, and I'll do something past you just to offset it.
Not so much high alpha.
Just whatever. If you do something slow, tell me when you're set up.
So you can go under me.
No problem. When we're done flying, Jack.
We're done flying, Jack.
Fast pass. It's not that slow. No, you're not slow at all. I didn't pick up speed on that one. Climbing. Go ahead and go past me.
I'm gonna do like a back
Go.
pass.
I've been kind of flying way back, but I'm landing.
Alright, I still got a minute. I'll let switch.
It's perfect if we split it up, because then we're all going to do our own thing. It's better. I want that. Balloons with them. It's better without. I'm not going to use them anymore. Go ahead. That's actually perfect because I just landed. Get on the deck. Perfect. Nice. And then by the time I'm clear, you're landing, and then we spaced it out just right. I think that's good.
God, I made that bottom light strobe instead of flash.
I'm clear. Come on.
Don't
Yeah.
landing.
I will. Come on. Even with my heavy setup, it floats. There you go. Very nice. Okay, Jack, we're going. Yeah, so I think that's it. Let's let Keon have his little solo. And then we'll do our thing kind of spaced out. We don't really have to be in formation. We could be spaced out.
Got that fan now. It's like...
Rear.
I'm not there.